Today, we're going to be talking about personalization. Now, on Pretty Dashboard, personalization just means essentially shortcuts. So when you see these system properties here, these are just the pre-done for you already ones, such as member's first name. So in this case, if someone logs into your website and you have, let's say, a dashboard for their course or for whatever kind of dashboard you have, if you have a subscription and you just want a dashboard that they can log into, you can essentially create a page and then put something like hey, and then put this member first name code that you can just copy easily, and it will take on their name that they obviously put in when they registered for your site. So it will say something like, hey, Steven, welcome to your course, or whatever you want it to say. And you can as well put email and stuff like that if you want to show those things. But for the most part, you're probably just going to use the member first name. And a way to create your own tag is to just go right here, click add personalization tag. And let's say, for example, we want to use a shortcut on our builder in our website to where every time we put the tag email, it'll show our email. So let's just put in email here and we'll save it. And then in this box here, you're gonna put your email or whatever email you're wanting to show. So now when I put email somewhere in my website, when I put this code here, it will show this instead. So it's just essentially quick little shortcuts. That way you don't have to keep typing in different things all the time, and you could make whatever you want. If you wanted to make this a whole paragraph or sentence, you totally could. So maybe there's something that you're reusing throughout your website that you just want to say, you want to use the paragraph code instead of the full, having to type out the full paragraph. You could do it like that. So that's it. That's essentially personalization. They're just shortcuts, and for, if you want to use some for your specific members. So it gives them a little bit more of a unique customized experience, as we love here at Pretty Dash. So if you have any questions, go ahead and just reach out to hello@prettydash.co. Otherwise, I'll see you soon. Bye.